How's it going? So I set up kind of like a create React app only for Angular, and all you have to do is just branch off the. You don't need to compile anything. You don't need to build anything. Just branch off here, and then like it's basically everything is in here, right? So all you have to do is install live server. I'll link this repo in description below so you can work, and then just right click live server, and then that's it. It will work. Now the reason why I've done this is because it has good. Well, you can practice Angular in here, AngularJs, and it already has Material UI in it. It already has the Enterprise Setup, so you can see how to correctly oh shit, this is not supposed to be here. So you see, like, you have this setup where you have your app, and then you have all your like router, which is your pages, standalone controllers. You're probably not gonna have a lot of those, but there they are. It's kind of like enterprise level folder structure and project setup, because a lot of the times there is like, if you do it in the beginning when I was doing Angular, like I had to do a lot of unnecessary stuff, like, you know, import every single component as a JavaScript file in here, and it's very, very time consuming. It's not scalable. I mean, you have a couple of thousand components, like this file is gonna be, you can imagine how every single module you have to import, whereas this is just like you already have your components, so you go to component folder. There's the index. I called it specifically component index because normally you just want to call it index and then it's fine, but I didn't want to be confusing, so you see, you create a new component, whatever you call it, bar, you come here and then you inject it like this. But I have videos on this, and then you import it from your component, which is should be a folder, and then that's it. It works by itself, right? You don't need to do anything extra. I also left README file in here, so kind of like most of the libraries can be found in here, and you can read what the version is in here, you see. Now some of them are like 1.9, some of them 5.0. As you can see, they're not really, I didn't want to spend time copy and pasting. They're going to work, like 1.59, 1.50, they're going to work together, you see. But if you want to, one sec, let me just, I'll link it in the description below as well as in README. If you really want to, you can just go here, download Angular, previous version. Let's say, I don't know, you want 5. Everything 1.9, and then just like start copy and pasting from here to this area, right? Oh, it's already 1.59, right? So you can just like copy and paste from there to here. Whoops. Interesting. Oh, wait. Angular, oh, that's because it's not min. That's why. So min is like minified, right? Yeah. But I'm saying, I'll link this in the description below so you can kind of do your own thing if you want. I just don't want to do it because I think it's a waste of time. It's not going to do anything. Okay, so there's the project. I'll link the repo in the description below, and this file also, I'll link it in the description below. Feel free to copy and paste yourself to balance the versions. Here's the link. There you go. So yeah, that's about it. Enjoy AngularJS. Take care. Bye bye.